Sicily, in its entirety, is a fantastic dimension. How can you live there without any imagination? From the places of Commissary Montalbano, between the blue Mediterranean and the 1,000-year-old slopes of the Highland Mountains, Olivia comes. This fancy-shaped eggplant, with its unique taste, as well as the other eggplants, it is very rich in potassium, and its magnesium supply is considerable. That is essential in our poor diet to ensure the proper functioning of muscles and brain. The presence of bitter substance, similar to those in Taraxacum and gentian, helps the digestion. Its peel is edible, unlike the common eggplant, and it is even recommended to eat that because of the apocyanous antioxidant substances, which are beneficial to capillaries' wellness. It is slightly sweeter than common eggplant, but it has got lower calories. Therefore, it is ideal for those who watch their weight. With its gentle, spicy taste, Olivia will make a unique pasta alla norma dish. Enjoy it raw to ensure your own original salad mix. Buy Olivia eggplant and follow our Facebook page, Naturalmente Siciliano, Italy, to find out our recipes.